Ooh, something new from Madam Glam was dropped today, and I decided to make some pumpkins with it. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and as you can see, I have another package here from Madam Glam. So before we get into it, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone, and leave me a comment. So I have 4 polishes here from the very new gel potion collection, which dropped today, October 4th, and this is in collaboration with Mama Does Nails. So I have 4 colors out of the 8 new soak off gels that are included in this collection. There's Midnight Hour, a deep rich dark burgundy, one of the diamond gels, Scarlet Red with shimmery glitter. Then we have Enchanted Green with some more shimmery glitter. And then the last one I have here is Pumpkin Palace. And that's self-explanatory. So I'll go ahead and show you the swatches here. And this would be with 2 coats. Now with this collection, there's a total of 8 colors. There are 3 cream gels and 5 diamond gel polishes, so you get quite a variety. As always, Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formulas, HEMA-free, and palm oil free. Okay, and if you go ahead and notice in the description box, I do have a link that will take you directly into Madam Glam, and you're welcome to also go ahead and use my discount code. But when you check out this collection or this bundle here, there, again, it has 8 polishes in it, but you can go ahead and purchase them separately, or you can purchase them in just the diamond gel polish bundle, which would be the 5 polishes in that particular collection, or purchase them in a 3 cream gel bundle, which is also included. So it's broken down many different ways, but I would consider checking out the full collection so you can see all of the colors. I'm sure somewhere on the screen I did go ahead and post a picture of what all the colors look like, but these are the ones that I chose. So what I'm going to do here is go in, of course, with the Madam Glam soak off base coat. And what I decided to do is create a look that is basically surrounding pumpkins. Now, the thing about this is I'm going to be working with my non-dominant hand on my dominant hand. So this is quite a challenge to myself, but it's something I wanted to do. I mean, you know, hey, I'm trying to get more comfortable using both my hands to create nail art. So I hope you appreciate what I'm doing here. And I am starting off with a hand that has already been done with polygel. So as you can see, as I'm going in with this Scarlet Red, oh, this color is so pretty. And what I will tell you about this, it's almost like it's all glitter and then a rich color of red added to it. Because if you were to go and wipe this off, like I did several times due to mistakes and everything, you will see that it will leave behind a little trace of glitter. So you really have to get it. And what I was using to clean up my mistakes, I was using 91% alcohol. So yeah, I would say it's mostly glitter, so you get that shine. That shine is beautiful with a touch of opaque, rich color added to it. Okay, so what I also did is I took one of the colors from last year's collection to use on one of my fingers as well, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment. It's another orange, but it's from last year's Halloween collection, and I just, you know, I wanted to add that shade in there. So I am going to let you guys watch what I do. When we get to the pumpkin portion, I may jump in again. Let me tell you, this was challenging to create, but it was fun to create. And I love the set I created. when I went in for the physical therapy on my thumb, my doctor, she was like, "Oh my goodness, your nails, this is so pretty." She says Halloween but subtle. I said, yeah. And then she told me it's a good idea to practice working with both my fingers. So hey, I got the stamp of approval from my physical therapist. So anyway, yeah, there goes that color I told you about, and I think that's called Spooky Pants. Okay, so wonderful colors, wonderful polishes, as always. And right now, before I go in with trying to dry these pumpkins, I'm gonna go ahead and seal everything in with the Madam Glam top coat, just to go ahead and, you know, just set everything in and go in for the pumpkin part. That's hot. Let's go.
Riding in my drop top, windows down. Think I'm going crazy, looking for a sign. You and me should stop, settle down. Go our separate ways and never turn around. What can I do? Can play by your rules. I break when I bend over backwards for you. If there's a way to get you to change, I won't be around anymore anyway. Merry-go round with you. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around with you.
Okay, you see I got my palette ready. So these are the 4 colors I'm working with. So here we go. Let me tell you, this was so hard to do. There's many times I made mistakes, and every time I did, I just went in with some 91% alcohol, cleaned up my mess. The detailing in the lines of the pumpkin, I did go over that quite a number of times, and when I fill in the pumpkin with whatever color I choose, I do go in with a couple layers of that. Also, if I mistakenly went over one of my lines with the wrong color, again, I cleaned up with the 91% alcohol until it looked the way I wanted it to look. Okay, so this is a nice, and I think it's a nice and simple set. It would have been easier if I was using my dominant hand on my non-dominant hand, but you know, this time around we just, you know, I just decided to give myself a challenge, which is something I like to do when I do these nails. This is what's fun for me. It's fun for me to stretch myself, to challenge myself, to learn new things, and yeah, and just to, you know, let whatever my mind takes me while I'm doing these nails, that's where it's going to go. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this. Like I said, I do have a affiliate link for Madam Glam listed conveniently in the description box. Please go ahead and at any time use that. That will take you directly into Madam Glam. It also lets Madam Glam know that I referred you. Make sure you use my discount code OlenaRosanne R35 so you can go ahead and get a discount, and that is just for everyday purchases. If you are already a VIP member, then you would just go ahead and go in and make your purchase as you normally do with your regular discount. Okay, so if you want to go ahead, a great way to support my channel is by just shopping my links, because that lets the companies know that I collaborate with, that I am making an influence, basically. So okay, so let me know, are you creating any fall Halloween type designs on your nails, or are you plan on doing your nails in any one of these colors, or you know, fall based colors? Let me know. If you appreciate me sharing this and just, you know, trying something, challenging myself on camera, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That would be surely appreciated. That brings more people to my channel and let them know that, hey, I do nails here too. And share this with someone, okay? And make sure, if you're new to my channel or not new and you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you're not sure, make sure you just double check to make sure you're subscribed. I would appreciate it. And I'll see you at the end of the video.
Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold.
Riding in my drop top, windows down. Think I'm going crazy, looking for a sign. You and me should stop, settle down. Go our separate ways and never turn around. What can I do? Can play by your rules. I break when I bend over backwards for you. If there's a way to get you to change, I won't be around anymore anyway. Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold.
All I think about and all I know, you were made for me and I was made for you. Tell me how we stop this merry-go. Can we break the cycle, maybe see it through? What can I do when it's all new? Swear I'm learning as I go. I'll take the blame, fix my mistakes. But what if I change? Would you stay through the pain while I grow? Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot.
Let's go. Let's run.
Ooh, that's cold.
Ooh.
That's hot.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. regret it, I forgive it, but you stay.
Okay, roses, how did I do? How do you think I did for my first time drawing pumpkins ever, like on any hand, but I did it on my opposite hand? I think I did pretty good. So let me know if you plan to check out these polishes. Let me know. Talk to me in the comments. Make sure you have on your notification bell if you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my sets I do. Yes, nails are a part of this channel. I think I did pretty good. So shout out to Madam Glam for sending me over these gel polishes. These are so pretty and the perfect colors for the fall season. Look at that sparkle. It's so cute to me. I'm proud of myself. I think I deserve a thumbs up. So I hope you'll congratulate me too with a thumbs up. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.